Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to edit image text in Photoshop. See this image text. First of all, right click on your mouse for quick selection. Magic wand tool. Click multiple. Select text color. Then press Ctrl J for duplicate layer. Resize the. Press Ctrl T on your keyboard. Hold Shift for fix size. Okay, and edit this. Click delete rectangle. Oh, sorry. Again, magic wand tool. Quick selection. Right click on your mouse. Fill content error. Wait few seconds. Press Ctrl D for remove and create again new layer. Then type text. Okay. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel. Like, comment, share. Press Ctrl T